How to remove LTX 1045 blades. The Cub Cadet LTX 1045 hydrostatic lawn tractor is one of the most popular and versatile mowers from the Cub Cadet line. Regular maintenance of your LTX 1045 will ultimately make your lawn tractor run better and last longer. Part of this upkeep includes regular oil changes. Another very important part of that upkeep involves sharpening your lawn tractor blades regularly. However, to do so, you must first remove the blades safely. Things you'll need: heavy safety gloves, socket set, torque wrench, Allen wrench set, block of wood, pliers. Engage your tractor's parking brake. Check to ensure the blade engage knob is in the off position. Move the deck lift lever to the bottom notch to lower the cutting deck. Remove the hex screws holding the belt guard in place. Use your Allen wrench to turn them counterclockwise to remove them. Pull the belt keeper rod down, and remove the deck belt from the engine pulley. The belt keeper rod will be affixed to each side of the engine pulley in the top center of the cutting deck. Pulling it down will release tension on the belt and will allow you to remove it by hand from around the pulley. Locate the deck release pin at the rear left side of the cutting deck. Pull the pin out to free the deck from the deck lift arm. Repeat these steps on the right side. Remove the cotter pin holding the deck engage cable in place. The cotter pin is a paper clip-shaped piece of metal used for fastening rods and clamps. The deck engage cable is a heavy cable that runs from the deck height controls on the front of the tractor underneath into the cutting deck. The cotter pin can be removed with pliers. Remove the cable and the spring from the deck idler bracket. Remove the cotter pin from the end of the stabilizer rod. The stabilizer is a rod that protrudes out of a bracket attached to the cutter deck. On the rod's end there is a cotter pin that holds it into place. The cotter pin slightly resembles a paper clip. Remove it by pulling up on the top of it with a pair of pliers. Slip the rod from the hanger bracket to free the cutting deck completely from the tractor. Pull the cutting deck out, and lay it on its back on a flat surface. Also wedge a block of wood between the cutting blade and the side of the cutting deck. Remove the hex flange nut holding the blade in place using a socket set. Pull the blade free from the cutting deck.